What's up guys, it's Jay and Andy from Vanguard Tricking.
And today we're going to be showing you how to build 5 beginner combos for you to try next session.
Starting off in the easy one, just linking some basic kicks. Tips for these: point your toes and snap the kicks, make sure you've completed it. When it gets to the hand plant, make sure you reach over nice and far with your right arm and wait until you completed the move before going into the outside sweep. Cool little upgrade you could do in place of some of the kicks. We could start off with an arrow bomb or a jackknife, and then out of it we can link into touchdown raise, master scoot, anything like that. First two moves with this combination are really good for getting us used to going from cheat move to another cheat takeoff. The rest of the combination you can mix up with any of the other moves from your skill set. Big thing to remember though is to keep your head up when you're going from that cheat move into another one.
So on this combo, with the fail on, you want to make sure you've got your hips nice and square, and then you reset them back for the hook again. With the scoot and the Valdez, make sure you're getting plenty of distance. When you're doing the Valdez, make sure to reach as far as you can, and that'll mean that you can get a better spread on the legs to get more power into the game. So this combination, as you're coming into that inward sweep, you've got to make sure all of your weight transitions over onto your hands before you go into that master swipe. Out of this combo, you can do the aerial like I did. You've got plenty of options from there, or you can do a B twist, or straight out of that master swipe, you can do front flip, full twist, whatever you want.
This is a little technical combo with a bit of groundwork in. I find with any groundwork techniques, it's important to take your time, especially coming out of that front sweep. Now, I go into illusion twist, but you could do that into aerial, another hand plant, double B twist, if that's your level, whatever works for you.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoy going through those combos with us today.
And hopefully they've given you some slightly different ideas on how to link some of those beginner techniques as well.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and tag us in your videos on Instagram. We want to see you smashing these tricks.
Take care, see you guys next time.
Peace.